Well, you may be wondering, what in that pray tell is Eric doing out here in the desert amongst the Joshua trees and the jackrabbits and the coyotes? Well, it's a bucket list. I always wanted to do gold prospecting. I did it when I was younger out at Sutter's Mill in Coloma in the Mother Lode, California. But it was just, small scale plastic or, toy tools and pans and all that kind of stuff. And I had no guidance. So, what I always wanted to have is a quality metal detector. So, about a month ago, I bought one. And so it's a grown-up detector. It's a Minelab Gold Monster 1000. It's a fancy name, but so I've always wanted it, and it's just primarily for gold. I suppose I could look up or find iron and stuff like that, but yeah, it's been a kind of a lifelong dream, and so I did it. And I'm out here in Mojave County on a gold claim. It's a shared claim with the gold club that I belong to, and I'm the only one out here. It's 79 degrees, and it's supposed to get to 104 today. So I pre-hydrated, and I'll be having a camel pack and all that fun stuff. But I'm out here. I've been watching YouTube videos for years on doing this, and always wanted to get out here to a gold field anyway. And so here I am. Expect good things. So here she is. Well, I don't know if it's a she or not, but this is the metal detector that I got. Highly recommended. It's very accurate. And it picks up the small golds as well as the 10-pound nuggets. So it's the Gold Monster 1000. Kind of a goofy name, but it seems to work. Well, I have not gotten a nugget yet or any gold. There's no gold to be had in where I live in Navajo County, and so I have to go elsewhere, which is fine. There's tons of places in Arizona. It's been a couple hours, and still nothing. I got some lot of hot rocks, meaning that there's a lot of iron in the rock. No gold yet, but still having fun. That's the point of all of this. It's just started sprinkling. Had some nice cloud cover, so it was cool and a good breeze. So it makes this 100 degrees feel like wind chill of 90. So here we go. Well, I'm back at the truck. I think I'm going to move on to another claim. Not that I've searched this whole thing completely, not at all, but didn't get hardly anything. Luckily, no lead or 22 shells, but I did get something pretty darn cool. I got the letter E. See that? I'll take that as a good omen. This has been sponsored by the letter E. So I moved to a different location, a whole different mining claim, and this is going to be some work. Not a lot of people visit this claim because it's a hike. Let's see. In fact, it's right over there. Straight over there, that next 2 ridge lines over. It's in that general area. It's 102. I've worked in worse 20 years ago, but I'm not complaining. Enjoying the journey, right? So I'm hanging out here with my new friend, Balla Buster. I haven't tested the name yet, but pretty cool horse. So I'm checking out of my digs today, and I wanted to give you a tour of where I'm at. So I rented this bunkhouse trailer. The trailer is here. It's part of the campground, but it's no frills. It beats a tent out in the middle of nowhere when it's 100 degrees at night. So, but I loved it. Trick is getting up those stairs. So, not a lot of light, but it's a fits 4, and we got the killer AC going. Not killer, like it didn't kill me, but this is my setup, or was. I'm all packed up now. But I wanted to give you the tour of the bunkhouse, which is actually really, really cool. I got back yesterday, probably about 5:30, 6 o'clock, and it was still 100 outside. I was so tired, and I just kicked on the AC, laid there, and then the AC was blowing on me, and I fell right asleep. So we had some thunderstorms this morning, and so I'm cutting my journey as I fall out of the trailer. Cut my journey short a little bit. I don't want to be out there in the mud and the thunder and lightning and all that kind of stuff. So it gets really nasty, and it's way back there. So if I get stuck, there's no AAA. So it's in the truck. Oh, I got Morning Brew playing. These guys are hilarious.
What do you want me to do, Cam? Do you want me to be quiet? Do you want me to fall asleep?
So I'm going to slowly head home and stop along the way. I have no agenda today. Find a few mines, maybe do some more detecting. My body's thrashed. Swinging that detector all day just really made my shoulder and back sore. Not my back, more so my shoulders. But it's going to be a great season for metal detecting. I didn't get anything. I found a bunch of lead and bullets and casings and all that kind of stuff. So I ridded the atmosphere or the environment from trash. So that's a plus. It's all in the journey, right?